What do you mean magpapakatch?
Try nyo lang, try to fight. Kite muna, kite north. Don't ano muna, don't try to engage. May heavy base sila, lugi tayo.
Down on the bend.
Kaya ba naman kung gusto
The
niya?
bend.
Para sa'yo.
Huwag kayo mag-stick sa wall sa bend. Huwag kayo mag-stick sa wall sa bend.
Ready, just get ready your pods. Ayan, they're ready.
Ano niya?
You're good. Naano na sila, naggumamit na ng skills. We can counter. Carving counter, no? Carving counter? Hello? Ba't kayo nag-calming? Hello?
Para kalmado.
Gago. Ang tagal nung si Caesar.
Lang kayo west side. Pwede kayo west
Kahit lang,
side.
kahit lang.
Ano sila, naghihintay sila ng scene.
Wala akong ult. Ay, meron ako. Ready yung graveyard ko.
Engaging ah.
Oh.
Tangin na, hindi ko mag-graveyard skins. Try nyo lootin skins.
Magluto to, ikaw yung healer eh.
Sorry. Sorry. Pre, may track yung screen ko. Wait lang. May track yung screen cursor ko.
Hindi mo na maaalis yan.
Careful.
Mag 1, 2, 3 ka na lang.
Yeah, kaya ko mag-sustain.
Kung tayo may overextended
Patay
ah.
isa,
Para
patay
finish.
Patay. Go. Chase.
Push hard.
Eh, ano ko sila?
Oh, chill, forbid, don't tap up. Don't clap.
Yung heavy mace.
Yeah. Don't clap. Yeah, don't clap. Go.
Boys,
Try to
heavy mace
chase.
can die.
Keep chasing, but don't clap. Spread.
Corner sila dito ah.
Just spread. Nagkalmi na.
Meron na yan.
Yeah. Calm down. Come northeast. Calming. Chase. Gago, hindi ko nagip yung isa. Go. Tanga yung mga laban. Ito, patayin nyo tong Red King. Kill this guy behind us. Kill the guy behind us for the love of God.
One more.
Kaya. Keep chasing. Sige, in combat yan. Di makakalis yan. In combat yan.
Baka mag-turn yung blazing.
Mag-turn. I need.
Na-stop ko.
Buhay ako. Nice. Buhay ako. Chase. Full chase.
Ay, tease.
They're gonna get back here.
Go. Chase. Full chase. Keep chasing.
Fucking dogs, what the fuck?
Naligo sa balon.
Go.
Sila wave.
One down. Calming. Calming.
Nice.
Good.
Southeast.
Nice.
Wipe. Yurat. Yung halupon.
Dara, healer ato. T8 healer. Yo, chase. Kill this guy.
Rat yung
Hindi mo muna sarili mo kung pag-swipe ka dyan.
Sige lang. I'm good. Kita ko naman. Pukin ang ina nyo, wipe kayo.
Saka
Okay
hindi ko
guys,
talaga mag-get.
lakas natin. Hello,
Saka hindi ko talaga mag-get ba't hindi ako nahilong auto kasi dun. Hello?
Oy, sige na, mali ko na naman yun.
Nakabim ka talaga.
Nakabim ka lang.
Hey, Rick, kinain mo yung badong blazing pero
Kung kita mo lang, di lang kita na-graveyard, yun lang yung hindi maligo.
Pero Otto, bakit may hawak-hawak at trash habang naglalaban kayo?
Nice shit.